Hello everyone, welcome back to Arpita's Tech Corner. In my previous videos, we explore how we can start Microsoft Fabric, like how to get the license, from where I learned all those Microsoft Fabric information, the tutorial things, etc. In this video, I'm going to explore why do we need Microsoft Fabric? What exactly is this Microsoft Fabric? Okay. I hope you will like this video and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's proceed to the next step. We all know Microsoft Fabric is like one-stop shop. Like all relevant tools are present here. Why I'm saying that one? For any business, the first problem is where they will store the data. So many people are suggesting many technologies, many tools. Then again, they have to think like which tool can support or which tool can be accessible from the other tool. For example, if I'm storing the data in one place, whether my data analytics tool or my data warehouse tool can access that data storage area or not. That compatibility they have to check. Okay, for that purpose, this all this business team and the other POC team, they are doing all the POC. So for those POC, obviously some effort, time, cost, all these things are consideration. Okay, now end of this POC, if the result is not up to the mark, then all in vain. We lost effort, time, money, everything. Again we have to explore another tool. So for that purpose, if I consider, if I ask any business person that okay, in Microsoft Fabric there is a feature where we can store our data, there is a data storage capability is available within Microsoft Fabric, and from there they can access some data analytics tool, and from there they can access some notebook, that means where they can write their own coding. Also it can be accessible from data warehouse area too. So in one context we can say is a one stop shop. Our first data storage problem will be solved. What else? If you are not completely coming from a IT background, maybe you are new to this data analytics or data engineering area, maybe you are not aware of this term SaaS, like is software as a service. That means one will connect to the cloud environment which has all the apps, and based on your requirement you will purchase the app. Okay, just consider it's like your retail shop, okay, where you have all the section, your food section, grocery section, makeup and section, garment section, everything. And you are not going to purchase everything at a time. You need only food, vegetables, you need something grocery, you need some garments, you need some home appliance, something like that. So it's like a pay as you go service. Whatever you need, you are just paying for that app. Also, Microsoft Fabric is part of Office 365. We all aware of Office 365. That is a big advantage. For example, in my first video, I have explained how I took the license. I took the license for Office 365 E5 version. Under that E5 version, I found that Power BI is there and it's a pro version. And if I take that Power BI Pro version, like that Office 365 version, I can get this Power BI Pro and I can then extend to this Microsoft Fabric trial version. So based on my requirement, you can choose what are the apps exactly you need. So this is like a software as a service. Then all the business team, the organizational wise, they have always this concern whether it's secure or not. Obviously it's secured. Like there will be some team who can monitor this security setting, tenant setting, this different organization setting, so they can oversee everything. So that is our administrator team who can monitor everything. That's why it's centralized monitor. This is called CICD. CICD is nothing but the deployment. Like when I'm developing the code, how I'm deploying the code. That is another thing. Also, how we can do this version control. So this is within this Microsoft Fabric, we have this GitHub integration facility. We can integrate with GitHub. We can do our version control. For example, if I'm doing some code and my another team member is also changing some of the part of on top of that code, so all the version control can be managed because it's a GitHub integration feature is available there. Now, this is another interesting part. Within this Microsoft Fabric, this Copilot features is available. Using that feature, we can do we can use our ChatGPT feature, and using that we can use for our coding purpose. So if someone is very new to this coding area and they're not aware, for example, they are not aware some of the DAX formula or something like that, they can use these Copilot features. Okay. So, in conclusion, we can say that based on our business demands, we need to define the requirements and, in simple terms, more capacity, more power, and obviously more cost. So, if you put more money, you will get more features. So, from this video, you got some idea why Microsoft Fabric is useful for different business purpose and for different project, and how we can enable based on our requirement some of the features. If you like this video and if you feel it's really helpful to you, please share with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.